Okay, let's continue on with Jenkins. So where I left off was, and this is Jenkins in 2021. I'm going to put in the admin password here for the first start, which we get from doing a more command on this area right here, and we'll get the password. So I've named in my domain, I've made a record of Jenkins, which points to this computer that's running it, which is local inside my house on my private network here at home, and put in 8080, and let's finish. So here goes the password. Don't want to save this one. I don't know why it's doing this. Save it. Well, anyway, that's gone. Let's put in a username. Not secure. I wish this wouldn't do this. Password. Okay, confirm password. Let's go with full name, and email. Okay, admin user, save and continue. And what happens? Okay, this is important, and yes, this is where I want to run Jenkins. I want it to be called jenkins.wflow.com. That way, if I want to change this thing to run externally from my home, this URL will still work because it's on a domain outside of my home. So I'm going to take this and finish. And now we're ready. So I think that's all there is to it. And here's Jenkins. Now, it knows who I am. It's probably giving me a warning here of some sort. Building on the controller node can be a security issue. Okay, so it's saying it does not want us to build up in here, which is fine. We can build somewhere else. And let's see what's new here. I haven't looked at Jenkins in a long time, in 5 years, so let's see what we can do here. How different is it from Jenkins of 6 years ago? It looks cleaner. And let's experiment a bit. It's got a nice load bar here. And manage users. Yep, there I am. Configure the system, global settings and paths. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, oh yeah. Pipeline, so we want to get in this thing pretty soon. Max survivability, yes. All right, very good. And there's GitHub. So we can add that. All right. All right. Looks good. Global tools. Maven, JDKs, Gradle, this is good. So Jenkins is really made for managing Java, and it's written in Java, so I think the developers have an affinity toward Java. And what does this mean? Installed. There's all my plugins are installed, which is fine. We can always get rid of these if we don't want them. There's a lot of them in here. Probably don't need them all. And what else can we do here? Let's go back. Nodes and clouds. That's something new. We couldn't do that in 2016. Okay, there's a master. Yeah, I don't have much free disk space in this thing, and I'm kind of seeing how lean I can run Jenkins here. Looks good. Security. Okay, sign up. So it's like GitLab in some ways. Marker agents, okay. Credentials, can I put a key in for myself? SML, Jenkins, global. Okay. System log. Jenkins logs. Looks like we're logging. All those add-ons went in. All jobs completed, plugins, we're good to go. System log, load stats about Jenkins version and license. Okay, well, it's not as new as I thought it was. It's not 2.3, but there we go. Okay, looks good. There we are. Troubleshooting, data actions, reload. Oh, it's got a CLI. Look at that. That's very cool. Okay, it's got a CLI. I think this has been improved in the last 6 years. Okay, well, that's it for my overview of how to install Jenkins and add a user. In the next video, we'll do some more useful things like building a pipeline. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.